All right, hey, post frame update right here, Green Springs, Ohio, 30 by 32, nearing completion. You can see this is a patina green. Have the windows here, the grid. This is actually a 3-day build. I got to run back and get a left-hand swing door or a man door right here. But this building will be a wrap-up. The grid's residential building. You can see here, let's walk in here. Again, it's trusses 4 foot on center. Again, machine stress rated lumber there. Obviously to strengthen the trusses. Made actually by our Division Ohio Truss. We have a truss, Division Ohio Truss. They make our trusses, but this building right here, even a garage, 3-ply laminated columns. And as you can see there, the hurricane ties as well. So simple 2-car garage, 3-day build. Again, a crew of 4. So a crew of 4 that was able to do this. But let's get a little perspective here. Let's zone out here, and then we'll zone back in. But patina green, white soffit, no wainscot. And actually concrete will be poured on this. But again, these jobs go step by step. So concrete's gonna be poured a little bit later here on this job. And then also gutters will be installed as well. And then also the overhead doors. So a turnkey project to obviously fit the neighborhood, to fit the look of the job. But need more information, visit atticalumber.com, or you can call us 419-426-BARN. Attica Lumber, since 1925.